I am at Adelman Peonies with Carol Adelman. And Carol, you know, usually we're in the display garden, we're showing cut flowers, but here we're in the test garden where you kind of create new varieties for us. So here we are, and so what is that process? How do you start making a peony?
Well, the process is that you get something that you think will be a good parent and collect the pollen, and it has to be collected while the bud's still closed before the bees get there. Then you take it in and dry it for a couple of days before it can be used, and bring it out and find a flower that you think would help make a new color or a new flower type, and put the pollen on that. And hopefully you get a seed in the fall, and then have to grow that seed for a couple of years before you can plant in the ground. And then it takes another 3 years before you can evaluate it, because the flower form continues to double from the first year to the third year.
Wow, so you're really waiting a long time to even see one flower, to even see, well, was this good or not?
Right, about 6 years to evaluate.
Wow. And then what do you look for? So these are beautiful plants. I love them. I'd love them in my garden. So what are you looking for to make a great new plant?
One of the things we like is strong stems so that they'll stand up really well. Sometimes if you have a big double, it will still need to be supported. We like flower buds that are nice and smooth and symmetrical, because the florist likes nice buds. We're looking for a flower that the stamens don't turn black in the middle, good foliage, and of course something new, different color, different flower form.
Wow, so that really is something to kind of go through and choose, and really sometimes I think you really have to be tough.
Yep, I probably have 500 plants in here, and we'll probably save, 25.
Wow, wow. So Carol, you're saying that those seeds can produce so many different types of colors. So how do you keep track of all those?
Well, of course I have a book that I record in, but I put tags on each individual plant that tells what the mother and the father and which plant it is in the row. So each one can be different. Like I have 3 grandchildren with the same mother and father, and one has brown hair, one has blonde hair, and one has red hair. Same with the peonies.
And so I think we should go over to the display garden, because you have a mama and a papa and a baby peony, and you can show us that process.
Okay.
So Carol, I love coming to this part of your garden because it's the display garden with all kinds of beautiful peonies. Now here we are by 3 different peonies, so tell us about these special ones.
So here we have mama, papa, baby. So pollen was taken from the yellow one and put on the pink one, and this is where the seeds grew. And Past Elegance is the baby that showed up.
And so totally different color, almost like a light apricot. And so, how many years did that take to get to the marketplace?
At least 12 years.
Wow, and that's probably a good average?
Yeah, it might take more if it's something really special. That might have taken longer because there's so much demand for a new color.
Yeah, and that's very unique in peony colors. And so, you know, this is a beautiful time to come to the gardens. And so, what can we do when we come here?
Well, you can walk in the display garden that's planted with many other perennials. You can walk the 25 acres of the field and get your exercise. And indoors, we have on display the flowers that are blooming if you can't go out in the field. And we have potted plants and cut flowers available.
Oh, that is nice.
Picnic tables if you want to bring a lunch.
And Carol, how much does it cost to get into the gardens?
There's no charge, no tickets, no fees.
So really just enjoy the gardens. It's outdoors, everything is outdoors. If you do go inside, you will have to wear your mask and be distanced. But really the gardens and all this is outdoor space to enjoy. So please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click over to their website and you can find out all the information to get out here and enjoy the peonies. Thanks so much, Carol.
Thank you, Judy.